Maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the year can be challenging for many homeowners in Meridian. Seasonal changes often bring hot summers, cooler winters, and fluctuating temperatures that place extra demands on heating and cooling systems. One of the most effective ways to improve indoor comfort is by upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Modern windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, minimize drafts, and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. For homeowners looking to improve comfort while reducing energy waste, energy-efficient windows offer a practical long-term solution. Reducing heat transfer. Older windows often allow outdoor temperatures to affect indoor living spaces. During summer, heat can enter through the glass, while colder temperatures can penetrate during winter. Energy-efficient windows are built with advanced materials that help slow heat transfer. Features such as insulated glass and specialized coatings help keep unwanted heat outside during warmer months while retaining indoor warmth during cooler weather. This improved insulation helps create a more stable indoor environment throughout the year. Double and triple pane glass. Many modern windows use multiple panes of glass to improve energy performance. The space between the panes is often filled with insulating gases such as argon. These gas-filled spaces help reduce the movement of heat through the window. Compared to older single-pane windows, double and triple pane designs provide significantly better insulation and help maintain more comfortable indoor temperatures. Low-E glass improves efficiency. Low emissivity, or low-E, coatings are commonly used in energy-efficient windows. These nearly invisible coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter the home. During summer, low-E glass helps reduce solar heat gain. During winter, it helps keep indoor heat from escaping. This year-round performance helps homeowners maintain comfort regardless of the season. Eliminating drafts and air leaks. Air leaks around older windows can create uncomfortable drafts and uneven temperatures throughout the home. Modern windows feature improved weather stripping and tighter seals that help prevent air infiltration. By reducing drafts, energy-efficient windows help eliminate hot and cold spots near windows and exterior walls. Rooms that were once difficult to keep comfortable may experience more consistent temperatures after window replacement. Reducing the workload on HVAC systems. When windows perform efficiently, heating and cooling equipment does not need to work as hard. Reduced heat transfer and fewer air leaks help maintain indoor temperatures for longer periods. As a result, HVAC systems may cycle less frequently, improving overall efficiency. This can contribute to lower energy usage and reduced wear on heating and cooling equipment over time. Improving indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows provide benefits beyond utility savings. Homeowners often notice more consistent temperatures, fewer drafts, reduced glare, improved natural light, better overall comfort. Living rooms, bedrooms, and other frequently used areas can become more enjoyable throughout every season. Comfort improvements are often one of the first benefits homeowners notice after installation. Additional benefits. Modern energy-efficient windows also offer several other advantages. Many homeowners enjoy reduced outside noise, improved curb appeal, better energy performance, increased home value, lower maintenance requirements. These additional benefits make replacement windows a valuable home improvement investment. Professional installation matters. Even the most efficient window can underperform if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation helps ensure proper sealing, accurate fitting, maximum efficiency, long-term durability, reliable operation. Experienced installers help homeowners receive the full performance benefits of their new windows. A smart investment for Meridian Homes. Energy-efficient windows help homeowners manage seasonal temperature changes by reducing heat transfer, eliminating drafts, and improving insulation. Their advanced glass technologies and improved sealing systems contribute to greater comfort and more consistent indoor conditions throughout the year. For Meridian homeowners, replacing older windows can provide lasting benefits that extend beyond energy savings. Improved comfort, reduced HVAC demands, and better overall home performance make energy-efficient windows a smart investment for every season.